Hi, welcome to my kitchen. This is one of my favorite places in the house. I cook here every day. Let me show you around. This is my refrigerator. I keep all my food fresh in here. There's milk, fruit, vegetables, and even some delicious desserts. What's in your refrigerator? These are my kitchen cabinets. I keep my plates, bowls, and cups here. Everything is nice and organized, so it's easy to find what I need. Here is my sink. I wash my fruits, vegetables, and dishes here every day. A clean kitchen always makes me happy. This is the faucet. Clean water comes from here. I use it all the time when I'm cooking or cleaning. This is my stove. I love cooking on it. Today, I'm making a delicious dinner. Can you guess what's cooking? This is the range hood. It helps keep the kitchen fresh by removing smoke and cooking smells. It's really useful when I'm cooking. This is my oven. I love baking cookies and cakes here. Nothing smells better than fresh cookies coming out of the oven. This is my toaster. Every morning, I make warm, crispy toast for breakfast. This is my coffee maker. I can't start my morning without a fresh cup of coffee. The smell of fresh coffee is amazing. This is my dishwasher. After dinner, I put all the dirty dishes inside, and it does the hard work for me. It saves me a lot of time. And this is my kitchen table. This is where my family and I enjoy our meals together and talk about our day. Great job! Now you know many kitchen words. But the best way to learn English is to use it in real life. I'm getting a little hungry, so let's make a simple breakfast together. You'll hear these words again as we cook. Ready? Let's go! First, I open the refrigerator. I have eggs, milk, and some fresh vegetables. Perfect! I take out 2 eggs and some cheese. I think this will be delicious.
Next, I turn on the stove. The pan gets hot, and I start cooking the eggs. While the eggs are cooking, I put 2 slices of bread into the toaster. I love crispy toast.
Now I'm at the sink. I wash the tomatoes and the vegetables with clean water. Now it's time for coffee. I use my coffee maker every morning. It smells amazing. Everything is ready. I put my breakfast on the kitchen table. It looks delicious. That was a wonderful breakfast. I really enjoyed it. Now it's time to clean up. I put the dirty plates into the dishwasher. It saves me so much time. Thanks for making breakfast with me. What do you usually eat for breakfast? Tell me in the comments.